Greetings. I'm Judy Jeevarajan. I lead the Electrochemical Safety Research Institute at UL Research Institutes. And we've been doing the battery safety summits since December of 2014 after the investigation of the Boeing 787 incident report came out. And since then, we've been doing the battery safety summits around the world. We have gone to Canada, China, India, twice in India. We've gone to Japan, Korea, and we also did an aviation summit in Singapore.
We have all kinds of experts here talking about battery safety, sharing knowledge, sharing research, sharing data, sharing information about standards. And it's really a great opportunity to bring all these experts together to talk about the continuing work that needs to happen around standards development and research for battery safety.
Organizations that are looking into the safety aspects, as well as people who are actually working on these batteries day to day and really understand what the safety issues are talking to each other so that everybody can actually learn from the mistakes others have made. And hopefully we can actually come up with a better solution of how to handle these batteries, how to do things safer, and hopefully make a safer environment in general. I think the biggest thing about batteries and safety that we've talked about here in Mexico City is really the electric mobility, the smaller devices, the bikes and the like, that people are actually going to be charging in their homes.
Lithium-ion batteries that these EVs are using currently are very energy dense. They have a lot of energy to them. And some of the things that we're seeing is that when they ignite, they burn hotter and longer than other traditional batteries or just traditional vehicles when they catch fire.
You do not want to have any safety event or fire hazard when you are on the road or when you have a large battery to store energy to power the building or other things.
I want everybody to know, especially the automotive industry as well as the battery industry, to see it through the firefighter's lens. I'm a battalion chief for Loudoun County Fire and Rescue. I've been with our department for over 20 years. Research is so important. Standards are key for us. That's the difference between life and death for us. We're relying on the ULs of the world, the automotive industry, the battery industry, to reduce our incident times.
These things cannot happen overnight, so we need to be persistent, patient, and it will happen. I think it's great to have a conference like this in different parts of the world.
We would like to continue to do is to look at the different countries in the world where there is a really large influx of energy storage systems and see what their needs are in terms of safety and cater to that. Have the relevant speakers and the relevant audience. So not only do we have the people with knowledge, but we are also reaching out to the people who need the knowledge with respect to energy storage system safety.